Welcome to Gardening with Ben, the podcast where we dig into the soil of our gardens and the depths of our green thumbs. I'm your host Ben, here to guide you through the joys of gardening from sowing seeds to reaping bountiful harvests. Each episode will explore tips, tricks and tales from the garden and allotment, sharing insights from ourselves and stories from our own back garden adventures. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting your hands dirty for the first time, there's something here for everyone. So grab your brew and gardening gloves and let's get growing with Gardening with Ben. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Gardening with Ben for a brand new episode. Well, what have we been up to at the allotment the last few days? Well, it's absolutely chucked it down, that's what I'll tell you. I keep posting photos on my Instagram and Facebook in the morning saying it's an absolute gorgeous morning, the sun is shining, it's absolutely beautiful, the weather's fantastic, it's nice and warm, and then what happens an hour later? It absolutely bounces it down. But we still have managed to get jobs done outside on the allotment, and I've managed to actually plant some seeds outside. I don't plant many things outside before the chance of frost has passed. They don't say to plant out until middle of May, late May, if you want to not get any frost, well, especially where I am. So what have we been planting outside? Well, today we've been planting some radish outside. I have grown some in seed tray, which is all ready to be planted outside, but I've also planted some seeds outside straight into the ground so that I don't have to worry about transplanting them or disturbing them, and hopefully get a good crop from them because they do grow pretty fast and they're one of the fastest growing vegetables. And the ones that I've planted are a white variety called white icicle, which I've never tried before. They're quite new to me, so we've planted some of them. We've also planted some red ones, small red ones, and we've also planted some as salad variety. Difference between salad variety and red ones, who knows? We'll only find out once we've tasted them. But yeah, they've all gone into the ground, and obviously, like I said, it absolutely chucked it down afterwards, so I didn't have to water them. And I've also remembered to label them up so that I know where they are when they start popping through the ground. And I've planted these in some of my smaller beds down the edge because I'm going to plant some peas in the middle of them. Now, all my peas are growing at the moment in my shed. I've planted them in trays because rather than plant them straight into the ground where the mice and the rats can eat them and the pigeons, I thought I'd give them a good chance and let them grow pretty big before I plant them all outside where I want them to grow, and then cover them with netting and protect them that way. So we've got all them to plant out when it gets a few more weeks. Peas are fine outside in the cold, and yeah, I'll be waiting until they get a bit bigger before we do plant them all outside in the garden. Fingers crossed they do grow well because I do love peas. They never make it to the home in time. I always end up eating them when I'm down at the plot, which I'm sure most of you actually do yourself. So we planted all them radish. But what else have we planted? Well, we've been so busy planting more and more seeds. I'm going to have so many plants to grow down at the allotment, and trust me, I've still got a load more seeds left to plant. So we've been planting, if I remember rightly, we've planted a whole host of different varieties of sunflowers, which I got delivered. Different colours, different varieties, different sizes, different shapes. So I'm looking forward to them. I grew them a few years ago and I had some lovely red ones, black ones, yellow ones, orange ones, teddy bear ones. So I'm looking forward to growing them again this year. We've also planted a variety pack of different squashes and pumpkins and um, squashes. So yeah, I'm looking forward to them as well. All different unusual ones like the Turkish ones, the butternut squash ones, jack-o'-lanterns, all different types of them. So we've got all them in as well. Hopefully they'll start germinating and start popping through soon. We've also planted a host of different varieties of climbing beans to try this year. We've planted some yellow ones, some purple ones, and some mixed coloured ones. So again, we're looking forward to the different varieties. And I just want to try different varieties of stuff. I always like trying different types of stuff, all new stuff, and weird and wonderful because it's good to see. And obviously, it adds some colour to the garden as well. Trying different coloured stuff as well, rather than it just being the normal beige or green varieties of vegetables. We've also tried for the first time this year some black tomatoes, which are called indigo, so they're a kind of bluey blacky colour. So I'm looking forward to trying them, seeing how they get on. We've just only sown them, so they might be a bit late, but they'll soon catch up as tomatoes do. We've also planted some lemon cucumbers. Now they don't taste of lemon, but they actually look like lemons. So I've posted them online, and a lot of people in my comments have been saying how nice they actually are and how tasty they are. So I'm quite looking forward to seeing what they look like and what they taste like. So I'll definitely keep you updated on them on here and on the Instagram and Facebook if you don't already follow me on there. Now we've been busy sorting out all them seeds. We've also potted up some lettuce for to grow outside, some iceberg lettuce. We've potted up some broccoli and we've potted up some sunflowers what we're already growing. So they're all potted up. I've still got absolutely loads of stuff left to pot up. I don't think I'll be potting anything else up this week. I may pot up my cauliflowers, but we'll see. We'll see what they look like. They still look a bit weedy and a bit small at the moment, so we might wait for them until next week. We've also been busy. We've planted some more salad leaves, some because I do always grow the iceberg lettuce, but I'm trying salad leaves as well this year. So then I can just snip it off, take some home, and have it in my sandwich. But yeah, we're trying some salad leaves this year, and we're also trying some salad bowl mix, which is just like lettuce type, really. But the salad leaves are like all different peppery tasting, different varieties of salad leaves. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that, and I might grow some of those in my hangers this year. I've bought some of those green felt hangers to try and grow some stuff in, so we'll see about doing them as well. Well, tomorrow is going to be another day, busy day planting seeds. I'm just looking at how many seeds I've got now. As you know, I get magazines with seeds in and everything like that. And a lot of the stuff is stuff that I probably wouldn't purchase to try and grow. But obviously, because I've got the free packets of seeds, I'm going to try and grow them. And that's how I tend to find new varieties of stuff to try and grow. If I've got it in a magazine and it's been really nice and delicious and tasty, I'll often go out and buy it again. So it does work that they do come with all these magazines to give them a try. So we're going to be trying some of those. But yeah, everything is coming along pretty well at the moment, and I'm producing a lot more content for you to see and to follow this year because like I said last year, I let you all down with not producing enough content. So I'm producing little blogs so when I've been down at the allotment to share with you from down there, so you can see everything that I've been getting up to, and you can follow along with yourselves. And I hope you're enjoying those little videos because I'm certainly enjoying making them. I'm putting them on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook so that you can all follow me on them and see them. And if you do see them daily blog videos, just give them a like and give them a comment because it does help boost them. And I'm trying to build my audience as well this year. That's one thing I'm trying to do. As I've been stuck around the 21,000 mark on Facebook. I know that's a lot of followers, but I am trying to keep growing and keep producing the content for you. And yeah, it's really good. And I'm getting a lot of stuff as well sent to me from TikTok for me to advertise on there. So I'm getting lots of little products and stuff to try and share with you all and see what it's like as well. So I'm hoping that you're enjoying all them little videos. We planted some wildflower seeds the other day, what we got from Johnson's. We planted some seed bombs, what I got delivered as well. We've also got some plant food to try out this week. What I'm going to try on my potatoes, I'm going to sprinkle some on my potatoes. I'm also going to sprinkle some where I've just planted all my radish seeds as well, and where I'm going to plant my peas in a couple of weeks, so I might plant some of those and get the ground a bit more tasty and more food in the soil from, so that we get a good crop from them. So yeah, it's good trying out all these different little products as well. And I've got some summer bulbs on the way as well. So I'm gonna look forward to planting all them because I absolutely love summer bulbs down at my allotment. So I'm looking forward to sharing them with you. So yeah, it's going to be another busy day down at the plot tomorrow, and I've got Friday morning down there, and then I'm back at work, and I go away for a few nights next week. So hopefully we get some more content out there for you and a couple more podcasts. But we'll see how we get on. And I just want to say thank you for all those that do support me and follow me and listen to these podcasts. It really does. I do appreciate all the support that you give me, as I still class myself as an amateur gardener, and every day is a learning day in the world of gardening. And it's great seeing everybody's plots and gardens come along. So, as always, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben. And that wraps up another episode of Gardening with Ben. Thank you for joining me in this journey. Remember, every seed planted is a step towards a greener world, and every day is a chance to grow something beautiful. Keep nurturing your gardens and your souls. Until next time, I'm Gardening with Ben, reminding you to let your garden be your sanctuary. Happy gardening, and see you in the next episode. Remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben.